Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am creating a layout for the My Creative Scrapbook kit. I have the February 2025 main kit. Now if you haven't seen my unboxing, I will leave a link to my unboxing video listed down below in the description box. This month, the main kit is filled with so many gorgeous products from Simple Stories Heartstrings, and we've got Echo Park Valentine collection. We received a stamp set, ephemera pieces, stickers, and a stencil. So lots and lots of items to create projects with. All right, let's go ahead and get started with today's project. And for today's project, I am using the sketch that came in the kit. So the first thing I noticed about this is there's some mixed media in the corners, which I love. So I am starting here with a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock in like a teal color. And then I've got a sheet of white mixed media cardstock. And I think I want to pull in this floral that came in the kit and maybe this red heart pattern. So these are the papers that I've pulled to start with. Let me go ahead and get these cut down and I'll be right back. Here's the photo I want to scrapbook today. This is a picture of me and my boyfriend Dale, and I'm going to start today with the mixed media. So I'm bringing in some Shimmers paints. I'm spraying my paper with just a little bit of water, and I did say this is some mixed media cardstock from scrapbook.com, so it holds mixed media well. And I'm using this rose gold red vibes. It's from Shimmers Paints. And I love the way that this looks with the kit. Now I do want to mention that I am on the Shimmers Paints design team. So if you ever place an order on the Shimmers Paints website, you can leave my name, Melissa Minor, in the comments section of your order, and Shimmers will send you a free paint. I've also pulled out some black hole color splash, and I have made some splatters on the background. Now I want to ink the edges of all the pieces that I cut down. So this floral piece is 3 by 9.5, and I'm using some Distress Oxide in the color of Black Soot. My red heart paper there is 5 1/4 by 7.5, and then my pink hearts paper is 2 by 9. So I did go ahead and finish inking the edges of those papers off camera, and now I want to start assembling my page. So I decided that I want a little bit of a black border on here because a lot of the elements have the black, and since I went ahead and did the black splatters, and the pattern paper, the floral pattern paper, has just a touch of black, and so I thought this might be nice to really pull that color in. So I'm going to go ahead and get this glued down, and then I'm going to adhere my mixed media white paper to the back, and then we can start building the layout based on the sketch that was provided in the kit this month. That's one thing that I really love about the My Creative Scrapbook kits is there is always a sketch included. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at the sketch here and try to get these papers aligned. So I've got my floral piece that I just dovetailed the end. I've got that red piece, and then the pink, and then this sticker was on the sticker sheet. This was on the Echo Park sticker sheet, and so it looks like there's like a little border strip on the sketch, so I want to put that down. And then I cut a piece of black cardstock, and this is cut to 4.5 by 4.5. Now the black, this little piece of black, I actually pulled that from the, the backing for the cut file. It has like a little sheet that's included, and I went ahead, and I'm not throwing that black away. I went ahead and decided to use it here, cutting it down to 4.5 by 4.5. Okay, so I think I've pretty much got this figured out as far as my placement for all the pieces, but I did go ahead and lay the sketch down beside me just as a reference, and I'm really looking at it here. I want to get as close to this sketch as I can. Now, I only have the one photo, so I'm going to have to figure out what to do for that second spot. And I'm thinking that I'm going to pull a sticker from the sticker sheet and kind of fill in that spot where that second photo is supposed to go. So the photo of Dale and I, this was from this past summer, and we had went to visit a sunflower field, and it's one of our one of our favorite things to do in the summer is to visit the sunflower field. It's near us, and there's so many different photo opportunities. And so we like to take advantage of all of them. Being a scrapbooker, I'm sure you can relate. And so I have quite a few photos of us at the sunflower field, but I thought this photo was perfect to use with the Valentine collection because, love and we're kissing in the photo. My daughter's probably gonna be like, "Oh, Mom, I can't believe you have a picture of you kissing," but it's not like obscene or anything. So I hope it's okay for social media. Okay, so there we go. I've got my photo printed and put down on the page. And here I pulled a sticker from the sticker sheet. Now I do print all of my photos at home. I have an Epson PictureMate 400 and I can really size them down to the size that I want. So I printed this one in a 3x4 size with a white border. I'm going to give a little bit of dimension to this sticker from the sticker sheet. Now I did take a powder tool and remove the stick from my stickers. I like to do that. And that's so I can move the stickers around more like die cuts. So I went ahead and popped this "You Are So Loved" sticker up, and then I'm popping up the florals here up in the corner to just tie this all in together. And I think that looks really cute. I love bicycles, and so I couldn't resist using this bicycle sticker. Again, I want to pop this up to give it a little bit of dimension. So I'm using some craft foam from my stash. And the liquid glue that I'm using here is tacky glue. So let me go ahead and get this sticker adhered down. And I'm just putting foam on it to try to make it even. So I'm putting little bits of foam all around. So we'll get this stuck down, and that's going to fit nicely right in this area. So on the sketch, they had like some florals, and I think my bicycle is taking the place of those florals there. So that looks super cute. I like that. So now I need a title. So my title is going to say, I found this little banner piece with the ephemera, and it says "Sending All My," and then I want to pull in the stickers from the stickers that were included in the kit, and I'm going to spell out the word love. So I've grabbed some tweezers here, and I'm just going to spell out "Sending All My Love." And I like that little hint of black. And that really, I think, draws your eye, from the photo and then down to the word love. So I like the way that looks. Okay, super cute. Looking at the layout, I think I want to pull in a few more stickers. And so I'm going to pull in my sticker sheet here from the Echo Park Valentine's Day. And I've got this black heart. I want to use it. So I'm going to pop it down here in the lower right-hand corner. I've got a few hearts in various colors that I also want to add. So I'm going to put those in a cluster of 3 down here. And I think I want to use some more stickers. I was thinking about this one because I like the pop of black, but I really think it distracts your eye. And so I don't want to use this one. I am going to take the sticky off of it and I think I'm going to set it here, but I'm going to end up changing my mind in just a moment. I like the look of this hot air balloon better. And so I want to use it because I like the hearts on it. So let me try audition this one here. And you'll notice I brought in that powder tool to take the stick off. I think I want another sentiment, but I'm really wanting to use this black, but I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to pull in a different sticker. So I've got the hot air balloon, and on the sticker sheet, there was one that says "Love is in the air." So off camera, I went ahead and glued that down, and I put a little bit of foam on the back of the hot air balloon. Looking through my stash, I thought this needed just a little hint of something. So I found these 49 and Market Stitching Essentials No. 2 rub-ons. And I think that this is the perfect little detail that this layout needs. I love that it has the hearts. So I'm just going to peel off the backing on it and then use my bone folder here to just rub these on. You could also replicate this by just using a journaling pen and adding a little doodling along the edges. I'm going to enhance my title a little bit more. I pulled these from my stash, this XOXO, and these are some acrylics from Color Cast Designs. And anytime I'm gluing down acrylics, I really like to use some Nuvo Deluxe glue, as I find that that really holds these down well, and it dries clear in case any seeps out along the edges. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this layout up by adding this XOXO. You could also put some journaling lines down here. That would be nice. I don't really have a story to tell along with these photos, so that's why I decided instead of journaling lines just to add a little bit more in this space because I felt like it was missing something. So that's going to finish up today's layout. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. I will leave links to my Facebook and my Instagram, and I would love for you to follow me there. And I'll leave links to the My Creative Scrapbook website where you can pick up your own kit. Thanks!